All right, so what we've got here is a 2006 Murano. Hood strut supports need to be replaced. We're gonna go through that. If you're wondering how to get these things to be taken off, there's a little strap. You're gonna pry that strap up so you can pull this thing off. Just put something underneath here and pry that back this way. See, that's starting to pry off. All right, so you can see I just put my screwdriver under there, push up a little bit, and then slide it to the top. When you're putting the clip on, you only want to slide it up part way. If you slide it up all the way off until it comes off, you might have a hard time getting it back on when it's on there, but it just has to be up enough that it's not interfering with the socket. Just pop it on there and pry that back down. Pry it back down until it's there. It's on there solid, not going to go anywhere. Slightly in the up position, nothing obstructing the socket. Up a little bit, not obstructing the socket. Go in, snap it on the ball. You have to twist this a little bit to get it right. Snap it on the ball, then you just slide this down. Use a screwdriver again to slide that back down into place. Job is done. Took 5 minutes.